In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Lightroom error 403 quickly and safely. This error is usually a permission or authentication issue, which means Lightroom is having trouble connecting to Adobe servers. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes by following a few simple steps in the right order. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's start with the first fix, which is signing out and signing back in again. Open Adobe Lightroom Desktop, then go up to the Help menu and click Sign Out. Once you've signed out, fully close Lightroom and restart it. After that, sign back in using your Adobe account. This step is important because it refreshes your login session and fixes expired authentication tokens that can trigger error 403. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection and any VPN or proxy you may be using. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet network because a weak or unstable connection can cause Adobe requests to fail. Also, turn off any VPN or proxy temporarily. A 403 error often happens when a request is blocked or looks suspicious to the server, so disabling those services can immediately solve the issue. Now let's move to the sync reset. In the top right corner of Lightroom, click the cloud icon. If sync is acting up, pause the sync first, then resume it again. This can clear stuck sync requests and force Lightroom to reconnect properly with Adobe's cloud services. Many users skip this step, but it can be one of the fastest ways to clear the error. Next, make sure both Lightroom and Creative Cloud are fully updated. Open the Creative Cloud app and look for any available updates. If you see Update All, click it and let everything finish updating. Older versions of Lightroom or Creative Cloud can cause compatibility issues, and those outdated files often trigger error 403 when the app tries to communicate with Adobe servers. After updating, restart your computer and open Lightroom again to test it. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem right away. If Lightroom still shows error 403, repeat the sign-out process one more time after the update, because a fresh login after updating can sometimes reset the connection properly. So to quickly recap, first sign out and sign back in, then check your internet and disable VPN or proxy, then pause and resume sync, and finally update Lightroom and Creative Cloud. Following these steps in order gives you the best chance of fixing Lightroom error 403 fast. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.